look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Well, you were right to videotape it.
Pobrecito, se murió el perrito. Se murió.
It's so bad. Ripping me. It's so bad. No, no, no. Dude, that's a sin. No.
Wait a second, what are those things? You're unleashing them? Get me out! Holy shit, they're swarming me! They're swarming me! Demons spawn! Get me out of... Whoa! I barely escaped with my life that day. Sorry, I just, apparently they're called puppies. You know, I like to call them fluffy little demons. Yeah, so anyways, that's why I hate puppies.
I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye?
When I'm down, you can bring me up, 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 up. And when I'm hurt, you know I go.
I could do it too. Be nice.
I keep saying that, like, zombies crawl really inefficiently. Like, you see them in movies and when their legs are going up this. But really, they have to be moved backwards and so they can move down.
Какой сыр, целый кусок. А дай ногу.
Alam ka. Wake up. Pa 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 pa.
I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I've been forgotten, Joe. I've been married.
It's my life, it's
儿你老插队，每次。给大心儿。
大行。
来吧，大馒头。来吧，开饭了。大九那哈喇子出来了。哎呀，干啥呢？对，
芯儿走了。
芯儿都吃过了，自己叼走了。每次他都自个儿来。
来，快！